Okay, let me ask you, has joint pain or stiffness been slowing you down lately? Maybe even simple things like walking in the park or climbing the stairs feel harder than they used to? If that sounds familiar, you're not alone. And most importantly, you're not stuck. Hi, I'm Danny Cade. Welcome to my weekly Wellness Discovery Show. I'm so glad you're here today. So today we're going to talk about the mobility reset they don't teach you at the doctor's office. It's natural ways to reduce joint pain, stiffness, and feel more like yourself again. If this is something you've been struggling with, I promise you're in the right place. So let's start with something most people don't realize. Warmer weather, increased activity can actually worsen joint inflammation. When the sun's out, we want to move more, but heat and inflammation can make joints feel achy, swollen, or stiff. If your knees feel like rusty hinges every time you stand up, you're not imagining it. Your joints are asking for help. By giving your joints the right nutrition and hydration, you can protect them and keep moving with confidence. And that leads us to something everyone asks about. How do you ease the aches without always reaching for those pills? And here's the truth. Pain pills offer temporary relief, but they don't fix the root cause. Instead, targeted nutrition, hydration, and natural ingredients can help calm inflammation and reduce daily pain. Think omega-3 rich foods, turmeric, proper hydration with electrolytes. Even starting your morning with a glass of water and a pinch of sea salt can help hydrate your joints and reduce stiffness. Now, reducing pain is one piece of the puzzle, but how we move is just as important. You don't need the intense workout plan to support your joints. Just gentle, consistent routines like stretching, yoga, or mobility flows can restore your range of motion and keep stiffness away. Even just 5 to 10 minutes a day can create a lasting change. And it's about consistency, not intensity. And of course, movement works even better when you're fueling your body the right way. The foods and supplements that you choose can either add stress to your joints or help them to heal. Supporting your joints with daily habits like anti-inflammatory foods, proper hydration, clean supplementation can help you stay active, flexible, and energized all season long. This is what we call feel-good fuel because when your joints feel better, everything else feels better too. So let me bust one myth before we call this a wrap. Joint pain isn't just about aging. It's often inflammation, and that's something you can influence. You weren't meant to just get by. You're meant to move freely, feel strong, and enjoy your life. That's what the mobility reset is all about, helping you to move more freely, feel stronger, and truly enjoy this season of life. So, are you ready to reset your mobility? Here's what to do next. Join us live for our wellness show tonight at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, 5 p.m. on the West Coast. And just drop the word join in the comments and I'll send you the link to register. Now, if you can't make it, register anyway so that you get the full replay given directly to you. Each episode delivers expert insights on trending wellness topics, practical health tips for boosting energy, managing stress, supporting immunity, and achieving balance, as well as engaging segments that address real-life health challenges during life's busiest seasons. If you need help getting started, book a free one-on-one strategy session with me personally by either DMing me directly or drop session below and I'll reach out. Remember, no matter where you're starting, I'm here to help you take the next best step toward feeling your best. Thanks for joining me on this week's Wellness Discovery Show. I hope to see you at the next show. And, well, actually, I hope to see you tonight. All right, everyone, take care. Bye for now.